So we're out here at Dawson Lake, and Mike hasn't caught a fish since last summer, other than like a bluegill or another type of bait fish. But what he doesn't know is that I've brought along some of these poppers. When he does catch a fish that isn't a bait fish, it's time to celebrate.
I got one, man. I got a catfish and a rooster tail, Brett. What the heck? What? First catfish of the year on a rooster tail. I caught a fish, Brett. First fish that wasn't a bluegill.
Time to celebrate.
What? Gosh dang, Brett, jeez. Not to scare me like that, jeez. I didn't know what was happening. I thought you had a gun or something. I was like, what the heck? That's not a bad one. Probably a foot long. Probably eater size, really. Not what I was expecting. I didn't even know what it was. I thought it was like a really skinny bass or something. What the heck? Did you think it was a catfish?
No, I didn't know what it was.
What?
I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a bass at first, but then I thought it was.
It was really long, and I was like, what the heck is this? Then I was like, maybe it's a sucker fish. I don't know what I caught. And then he gets up here and I'm like, I got a catfish? Okay. Time to celebrate. Bang! Oh, okay, Brett. Didn't know.
Got something. I just caught my first ever walleye. I believe it's a walleye, maybe a sawguy, I don't know. It's pretty cool.
I know, there's big fish jumping back over it.
I just got something else. I just caught another.
Oh, my mom was ready to go. Looked up and it was gone. It wasn't pulling anything, but it was gone.
So many like things that people worry about. When I was younger, I said this once. And
I got something.
really think I've never heard it. I said something like life is important. So I was like in 8th grade.
I think it's a book. No, it's another channel.
That they don't really care about. You know, because if you ask someone,
That's a good size
like,
one.
do you care how many like
That's
my life
another
was
eater.
my life, you know? Yeah. But
stopped jumping right after after a certain point. Like they were jumping like crazy.
We were in search for a new spot to fish at, so we found this cove, thinking that it could be a good spot for fish to hang out at. However, fish weren't the only ones hanging out back there.
Oh boy.
And when he does catch big fish, or